Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee. Sorry about the noise, there's construction happening next to us. But we have this DeLonghi Espresso slash coffee maker with us in the shop today. And pretty much what was happening is that the both steam one wasn't working at all, wasn't building enough steam. Also, the espresso was coming out watery, which is meaning not enough water or pressure was getting to the portafilter. So when we opened the bottom up, we found that your anti-drip valve was dripping. So we replaced that completely, and now we are able to build steam. I will be demonstrating the steam and the espresso, making espresso, because those are the two complaints we had when it was coming in. So now we're gonna test one. We're gonna start with steam because it takes longer to build up, but I've been building it up for a little bit, and now as you can see, it's working well. And then we're gonna wait for it to do it again, just to show one more time. And one more time just to show again. This was probably no less than 2 minutes of waiting. Steam is built up quite a lot. So yeah, so it's starting to steam now. As you can see, I'm gonna turn it off. We're gonna let it clear out. We're gonna turn on hot water. As you see all that steam out of there. You are sharing one boiler, so you do have to cool off the boiler if you want to do espresso. Turn that off now. Now we are going to test espresso. So this is using our grinder here at the shop and our test coffee. We got it pretty fine, not too fine, not unreasonably, but espresso range-esque. We're going to put this in the machine. And we're going to turn it on. It should be hot enough. If not, come out a little bit weird, but look at that. Now this is not the portafilter that came with the machine. The portafilter that came with the machine is this one right here. We're in the process of getting a new basket. Hopefully it comes in by the time we pick up the machine. So this is just from another machine we had gotten in at the same time, which is very convenient for us. But as you can see, very, 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 very good looking shot. Looks great. And since you're using that pressurized basket, you get a really thick layer of crema on top, which is great. And then this side, we did not receive the coffee drip side, but I did test it with the other machine, and it does work perfectly well. The only reason I won't be testing it here is because it takes quite a long time to make drip coffee. I did test it before making this video. I did put the other glass container in here, filled it up to 8 cups just to test it, make sure every part of the machine is working well and everything's looking good. So if you like this repair, any of our other videos, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.